Hi, how's it going? I'm Josh. This is Daniel. We're GANTASMO.
There's a lot of features crammed in here, so we have to like just play it. We had to make a video.
My voice doesn't sound super weird fast.
Hi, we're GANTASMO, and we're excited to present you our project, theDAW.
Crud! Hang on, I didn't extend the display. My bad.
Come on.
The idea started simple enough and then went a little bit off the rails. We wanted to know, can we make an environment to incorporate an agnostic system of audio creation, generation, and mastering? So we started building theDAW, a full creative workstation for music generation, editing, mastering, performance, and visual output with AI integrated directly into it, instead of being some kind of bolted-on afterthought. At its core, it behaves like any other standard DAW. You have project management, a library, audio editing tools, arrangement tools, metadata, BPM, key detection, MIDI, and blah, blah, blah. But every part of that system is connected to a generative and transformative tool. We integrated multiple generation engines, including Stable Audio, Google Magenta, and Suno, through a Generate tab, which is model agnostic. So instead of forcing you to use one model or one specific workflow, you can pretty much choose whatever you feel like using that day. Each model exposes different parameters, and we built detailed hover-over tooltips, so the system teaches you what each control actually does instead of just guessing. The point isn't just like type a prompt and spit out a song. The point is, you have control, you do it however you want. One major feature we built is called Chimera. Chimera lets you take multiple songs, as many as you want, stems, ideas, smash them together and make something new. It's not limited to 2 tracks. You can combine several sources and explore what happens when you smash them together. There's also things like init, which lets you start from an existing piece of audio, kind of like a cover, and in-painting, where you can regenerate or repair specific parts of songs. Beyond generation, theDAW also includes a full mastering suite. You can build effect stacks, process audio, shape tone, and treat the result like you would a traditional production workflow. The goal was to avoid the usual problem where AI gives you a cool output, but then you have to go somewhere else to actually do anything with it. Here, generation, editing, and everything else live together. We added things like performance tools, meaning there's a full DJ tab, essentially bringing virtual DJ style workflows into the same environment. There's also a VJ tab if you like doing visuals and want to perform that side of it. So all of this means that like the same audio object can move from generation to editing to mastering to live performance to visuals without ever even leaving the app. MIDI is also deeply integrated. We built a piano roll with voice to MIDI so you can hum a melody, extract the notes, quantize them, turn that all into music material, etc. This system supports MIDI mapping across the DAW, DJ, VJ, and the ability to take a picture of your MIDI controller and have it automatically map for you. The last major piece is the audio DNA graph. Every track, stem generated, output, remix, in-paint, cover, and variation will be connected into one giant provenance map. Visually, it feels like navigating through space, or if you were timing with your DNA. Each song becomes a node, each transformation becomes a relationship, and you can see ancestry between songs, branches of experimentation, and how one idea evolved into another. So, I guess the larger picture of theDAW is this. You shouldn't really have to choose between traditional control and AI generation. You should be able to generate, edit, remix, do all that, and utilize AI as your friend, rather than some kind of boogeyman. So anyways, we made theDAW, and we hope you like it.
It's on GitHub already. You guys can go download it now. It all works, I think.